hurt me to watch that happen, especially because I am so close to her, and I was just really upset with those kids. Like, what was going through their mind to think that that was okay in any way possible?
So I'm at a loss here. I'm totally lost. I'm lost because I can't figure out how to talk about this thing that we're all talking about. I don't even know what to say about it without wanting to throw up my arms and walk away frustrated. Because this thing is so big that it's overwhelming. But it's also so commonplace that it's ordinary. Right? I've wondered for a long time what it is that makes one person bully another. Is it just a part of everyday life? Like, does teasing go hand in hand with acne?
Oh no! I have something on my face! A big, huge, nasty zit! Ugh, that sucks! And on picture day, no less. Wow, it looks like a bullseye. They're going to use you for target practice. Look, don't move. Cast in the shadow. If you don't know anything. What are you blind up right there? It's like not ever something so big. Maybe we can hide it with your hair.
Nothing takes more courage than to just be myself no matter what. Sometimes it takes courage to get out of bed every morning and look in the mirror. And even more courage to say to myself, hey Rachel, I like you. You're okay in my book. You know, I'm starting to wonder if maybe courage isn't just about being brave or being a hero. Maybe it's in the small everyday things too, like walking out your front door, holding your head up, smiling. That can take courage. Or walking the halls at school. That definitely takes courage. Or just trying to be kind when the world can be so mean.
I feel like that social media really allows people to do things that they wouldn't do in person.
Effectiveness and the easiness of like slandering someone, like it takes like what, 5 seconds to just make a quick post. And even though it may not have a lot of likes on it, a lot of retweets, people do see it, and it does bring attention to it.
Like me specifically, homophobia has always been an issue, not just in social media, which I have been affected by endless comments and tweets and like videos and stuff. It's like, I don't know, it just carries into the real world too, you know? Because for you, when you post something, you can forget about it. But when someone is personally attacked by a comment, it carries with them and they always kind of think about it, and that shifts people's mindsets.
Once you have one person or 2 people, 3 people calling you a loser, it exposes or allows everyone else to do the same thing.
Teenagers, not all teenagers, but some teenagers look at it for entertainment. So they purposely have Twitter or probably Instagram to find those things. And I think those are the things that often get the most likes or retweets, and even there's national hashtags that kind of go upon those negative attitudes, like bringing someone down or just like slandering them.
There's that girl over there. You know the one. Tall, pretty, perfect body, no matter what she's wearing. How is that even possible, by the way? She has that smile that makes everyone fall in love with her. Girls, guys, teachers, everyone. But you can't hate her because she has that really annoying habit of being incredibly sweet and helpful. It's seriously so annoying. It would actually be incredibly sweet and helpful for a couple. Just one big, juicy smile like a hyena.
I see nothing wrong with shooting a few gays.
What do you say you're vegan? You look like a fat-faced slob.
But women shouldn't talk sports on TV. They should stick to cooking shows.
I don't know what to say here. Like I said before, I'm at a loss. See, I didn't really experience this like other kids did. I don't think I ever got bullied or teased. Guess I got lucky. I missed that step. Saw it happen to other people, but it never really happened to me. So I didn't give it much thought. It didn't seem like a big deal. It's just what guys do, right? It's boys will be boys. Locker room talk. I saw my friends lay into a kid or whatever and give him a hard time, but we thought it was just for fun. It was never actually to hurt someone. So when I read about this kid who hanged himself because he was being bullied at school, I thought, that is so messed up.
To find a way for students to realize that everybody has feelings and you can find commonalities with each other and promote the understanding. And when they understand each other, maybe the bullying can stop.
I wish I would have wiped off the word hate and replaced it with love. It's so much harder to wipe off hate once it's out there.
We're all grasping for this understanding, this issue about bullying, and we're on our way to making a change.
There's still a ways to go, and it'll take all of us, every day, to make a difference.
What can you do to break the cycle? How can you wipe away hate and use compassion?
How will you use more than just your eyes to see?
If we all answer these together, we won't just be grasping at straws. We'll be grasping bullying.
And ending it.
Hi, I'm Holly Matchett, Activities Director at Cerritos High School. The Grasping Bullying Assembly just completed here, and I could not be more happy with what we received. The students in the stands were completely engaged the entire time. It was extremely impactful. Tears were flowing. I hope that this generates a lot of conversation here at our school. The experience working with Olio Theatre has been incredible. I definitely think that every school should have this. I've been in education for 14 years and I've never seen anything like this. This is very cutting edge, it's very up to date, and I think this needs to be in every single school.